Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here guys with another amazing recipe for you guys. Alright guys, I'm always sharing the love. Thanks for you guys sharing it back. Alright, so guys, today I'm doing some steak today guys, going with salad guys. I'm just gonna show you guys how I marinate this steak today. Alright, pretty simple and easy. Hope you guys can try it out at home. Alright, let's get it going guys. So guys, I got some green onions right here guys, about a handful of parsley right there, half of a onion guys, and I got 4 pieces of garlic in there right guys. It's not chopped up, it's gonna chop up right in here. The only thing I cut up is the onion guys. And I'll show you the spices that I'm using right now. I got a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and I got some all-purpose seasoning right there guys, and I also using some jerk spices guys. Alright, that's what I'm using right here, some jerk spice and some steak spice. Alright, so tablespoon each. Alright, we're just gonna dump these right in here guys, and we're gonna blend this all out. Alright, smells so good and it's not blended yet. All the onions and the garlic smells really good. We're just gonna go ahead and dump the spices right in there. And I also have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda guys. Get your spice nice and tender. Pour it inside also. Alright, olive oil guys, I got a 1/3 of a cup right here. Just gonna pour it right in there. Beautiful. We're just gonna put the lid on this. We're gonna blend guys. Alright, that's done. Guys, I'm gonna show you the steak. I'm gonna go get these washed right now, but I'll show you the steak. This is what they look like. These are sirloin grilling steak. Alright, that's what I'm using today. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna get those ready and we're gonna get this marinade right on there. Alright, so guys, you're ready to marinate that steak. Let's get it going guys. You're ready to marinate that steak. We're gonna dump this right on it. Alright, I'm gonna bring you guys right down, see all this goodness. Alright, let's do it. So guys, we're gonna pour all this beautiful spices here that we blended out inside. This is pretty sharp guys, gotta be careful. I gotta watch it. Get it in my sink, and I'm just gonna scrape everything out. We don't want to waste anything guys. We're gonna let the steak sit in this and get nice and tenderized guys. Just gonna turn the flavor up. You know we like to turn it up. All right, when we say flavor up guys, we mean flavor up. All right, no joke about that. We ain't joking when we come on to the flavor. We put a lot of love into it guys, and that's what we're showing. All right, so right now, and that's what it looks like. All right, it's beautiful. I'm just gonna remove my gloves and I'm gonna show you guys all the goodness that's going on right here. Check it out guys. We're gonna let this sit for a good hour before we get it on the grill. All right, so I'll catch you guys when I'm going back to put it on the grill. All right, hello guys, I just want to fill you guys in. I just want to show you guys all my garnish that I'm making for my steak. My steak dinner tonight guys, just some cucumbers I slice, just putting them together like this, right around in circle guys. So I'm making out of the cucumber. Alright, just want to show you guys. I'm gonna put some salad inside. Then I also have this one guys. Alright, thinly cut, put a toothpick through it. All right. So guys, we're gonna set these aside in the fridge. That's for the steak dinner tonight. All right. Nice salad going inside. So guys, I also have some carrots here that's going with my steak tonight. I'm gonna bread these and fry them off, and we're gonna get that going. And I also have some potatoes here that I just cooked off, guys. I'm gonna drain the water right now, and we're gonna mash these, guys. You're gonna see what I'm gonna make. We're gonna turn up the thing tonight, guys. All right, let's do it. Guys, I'm just mashing this potato right now. Show you guys. Just add a little bit of black pepper to it, some salt, and guys, I put just 1 tablespoon of margarine in here. You can use butter. I'm gonna add all right, about 1/4 cup of cream to that. And guys, this is like 2 cups of potatoes. Guys, I'm gonna mash it really smooth, guys, because I'm gonna put it in a piping bag. Still don't want to overwork the potatoes. I gotta cool it down, guys, because I want to put it in the freezer for a few minutes after I pipe it. Shouldn't say for a few minutes. I think about half an hour should work out for what I want it for. Alright, so that's nice and mashed right now, guys. I'm gonna cool it down a bit, and then we'll get it in a piping bag. Alright, guys, right here got some flour here, guys. A little bit of cornmeal on top. Right here I got a pinch of black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic. Pour it right inside that flour, guys. Right here, guys, it's a carrot. I pour a little bit of cream on it. What I'm gonna do next, guys, a little bit of olive oil over it. Just drizzle that on it. All right, guys, you're gonna see the magic from this. Don't blink, guys. You're gonna see the magic. I'm gonna work from that, guys. Right now, mix that flour right in. Matter of fact, use my whisk. Get it in better than that. All right. Just gonna mix this right in, guys. It's beautiful. Slide the oil and the cream. Get it in there. I'll put them right inside that flour there, guys. Right in there. Beautiful. Guys, that's the magic I'm talking about. Alright. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. That's the magic. I'll shake them right off. Put them right back in here again. Give them a nice stir again, guys. They're going right back in here. Beautiful. Guys, that's what we talk about. We're turning up the flavor. Let's give them a nice shake, guys. Toss them around in your hands like that, like you're dancing. Just like you hear sweet music playing, guys. Right on there. Beautiful. So you get all that excess flour off, guys. Alright, you're getting a workout at the same time. Beautiful. Guys, look at those carrots. So guys, you can use a mandolin to julienne these, or you can use a carrot peeler to slice and then julienne them. nice and thin. Guys, we're gonna get these down right now as soon as the oil gets nice and hot. All right, catch you in the pot. So guys, while the oil is getting nice and hot, I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheddar cheese to this potatoes right here because it's still hot, guys. And I'm just gonna mix that right inside with a spoon. So all that cheddar cheese right in there. And you can taste it as you go, guys. You have enough salt. You know the cheese has a little bit of salt to it, so gotta be careful. Probably should add a little bit of parsley to that to give it some color. Alright. So guys, this is what I'm doing. Can't find my piping bag, guys, so I just been creative, guys. Putting that bag right here. So guys, right now we're gonna drop these. Oil is nice and hot. Beautiful. Looking good. That's how you want it to be, guys. Nice and hot. Put them all in there. Looking good. Beautiful. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these. Put them in a paper towel. Looking beautiful, nice and crispy. Just gonna drain the oil from it nicely. You guys, that's going with our salad and our steak tonight. They smell so good. Guys, you'd be like, carrots smell good? Oh yeah, they do smell good. Alright guys, so as soon as I pop the potatoes from the freezer, they're gonna get right down as well. I'll just give you guys a close look at these, what they look like. They're looking beautiful. Alright. So hi guys, I just want to show you the potatoes. I removed them from the freezer now, so they're nice and firm. Alright. Nice little push and you get them right off the pan. Alright. That's what they look like, guys. You take a close look. Alright. So we're going to get them in the oil right now. And we're going to fry these off. We're in with our steak dinner tonight. Alright. Guys, it's time to get some steak on the grill. Oh, this smells so good, guys. Wow. Beautiful. These are well marinated, guys. Well marinated. Looking good, guys. Time to flip those over, guys. Guys, I love it. outside. It's the best, nice fresh air when you're cooking outside, guys. It's so wonderful. I'm loving it right now. It's a little bit windy, but hey, you know what? I'll take it. Off right now, guys. They're nice and juicy. They're medium well. That's how I like them, guys. Medium well. Alright, just gonna let this burn off. Then I'll clean it. Alright, guys, we're gonna go back in. We need to eat. Alright. So guys, I just want to show you guys the finished product right here. So that's the steak right there, guys. I got some wedges in that one, guys, and there's the croquettes. I didn't bother to bread them and fry them, guys. I just put them in the oven. They're not as crispy as they're supposed to be with the breading on there. Just going a little bit healthier. All right, so that's what it looks like, guys. And you see those nice crunchy carrots and tops. Those are the ones that I fried. They're nice and crispy. Beautiful, guys. I'm gonna dig into one of these right now and see what it's like. All right, so guys, take a look at it again, guys. See how beautiful it looks, guys. It's scrumptious, guys. Take a look. Beautiful. See those nice carrots on top there, guys. All I'm gonna do, guys, drizzle a little bit of olive oil on my salad. That's how I like my salad, guys. Just a little bit of olive oil inside on the top. And let's try out the steak, guys. Wow, guys, so tender, and juicy on the inside. Wow. And the croquettes, wow, they're nice and soft, guys. Normally I put the croquettes in egg wash and flour, I bread it and deep fry it, but guys, I decided to put it in the oven. A little bit softer, not as crispy as it should be, but I love it. I get nice crispiness from the carrots, guys. These are beautiful. They're so tasty. Nice crunch to it, guys. It's perfect to go with your salad, guys, on top of your steak. All right, so guys, you know what? Flavor is up again. All right, guys, thanks for watching again, guys. Share, guys, this video. I gotta go have some steak right now. So thanks for watching. Like and share to this, subscribe to this channel, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. All right.